Hey guys, hello and welcome to Total Health with Dr. Nick. Today I want to talk to you about Brussels sprouts. And I know many of you are thinking, I hate Brussels sprouts. My mom used to make me eat them. There's no way I will eat those things. They're disgusting. They smell. Well, I'll tell you what. One of the healthiest foods on the planet you can possibly eat are Brussels sprouts. It is one of the cruciferous vegetables, and if you've seen some of my past videos, I'm always raving about the benefits of the cruciferous vegetables for their anti-cancer fighting properties. They're antioxidants, but also too, guys, if you got a little bit of low T, and you know what I mean, it's really good at suppressing the estrogen in your body, so that way you can help the testosterone come back up. One of the enemies of testosterone is estrogen in the body, so this is a great one for that. So people always say, you know what, I don't even know how to make it. I've had people at my house, and if you watched one of my previous episodes, I did another way, but I'm going to show you something completely different today you maybe never would have thought of. And I find that the reason why most people don't like Brussels sprouts is because they can't season them properly. You don't really know what to do. Sometimes you leave them whole and there's no way the seasoning can get in, or you roast them in the oven and they just come out mushy at that point, or you try to steam them. Well, this is a great way that I think you can make it actually really, really quickly, and they're really delicious. So what I'm going to do, all I've done is taken some Brussels sprouts here, cut the ends off, and just taken off all the bad leaves. So what I'm going to do is now run it through a food processor. And a lot of you guys have maybe had something like cauliflower rice. It's going to be similar to that, except I'm going to shred it like coleslaw. So the blade I have on here right now is more of a coleslaw blade right here. So right on top, you can see that right there. It's got a blade that will actually cut it into ribbons like coleslaw. So we're going to run this through really fast. And like I said, I cannot express more the benefits of things like Brussels sprouts. You definitely want to incorporate it into your diet. What I want to do is turn the blade over. And I want to turn it over so that way I can put carrot in it. And the carrot I want used on the smaller blade side so it shreds it more to where it's more of a pulp. And you can see here, these are cut into thin slivers because I use the blade on it that's very similar to coleslaw. So because they're so small, they look like coleslaw, but a lot tinier. So now I'm going to turn the blade over. So now I'm using the perforated side. And with the perforated side, I'm going to shred up the carrot. All right, so the carrot's finished. And guys, you can put whatever you like in this. If you want to put other types of vegetables, you want to chop up kale, you can do that too. It's going to be great also. So we'll take this out. I'm going to put a little bit of avocado oil. I like avocado oil because it's got a higher smoking point than the olive oil. According to this one, it's about 460 degrees. So it's a little bit better for cooking, so that way you don't actually cause the olive oil or the oil to oxidize. The last thing you want is oxidized oil because it's not good for you. So now I'm going to take oil, spread it around in a pan, so that way it's evenly coated. And I'm just going to add my Brussels sprouts and carrots. And you can hear it already. It's simmering. Yes, we are really cooking here. And it's getting happy. So what I'm going to do now is just toss this around a little bit. And what I want to do quickly is I want to salt it. Sometimes I salt things right away, sometimes I don't. I want to salt this quicker because when you salt something, it renders the water. And so by rendering the water, I will actually start to steam it. So add a little bit of salt. And you want to use your sea salt, Celtic salt. You want to use maybe Himalayan salt, whatever you choose to do. But you don't want to use table salt. So now, get this going. I don't know if it's going to flip too well without me going all over the place with it because it's so tiny. And then what I'm going to do at this point, why not add on the layers of benefits? So I'm going to add some bone broth to it. Bone broth is fantastic, as we know, for your gut health. So add some of this to slightly steam it. Not a lot. Okay, I maybe added a tablespoon, maybe a little over that, because I really don't want a lot of it in there because this is going to start to render its own liquid. It's really just helping to serve to steam it, but also add some additional layers of flavor. And then what I'll do at this point, put a little pepper in it, crushed ground pepper. Add some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic, whatever you like to do. I'm just using some garlic powder today. And then what I'll also do is I prefer to use Bragg's Amino, but I don't have that today, so I'm just going to use some low sodium soy sauce, and just a little bit for flavor. I really don't want to cause too much liquid in there and steam it. So now you can see, guys, this is looking really good. It's vibrant, it's colorful, but the great thing about it, because it's sliced up so thinly and shredded, the flavor's throughout. So this is pretty much done. I mean, it really doesn't take more after this. I might turn the heat up on a little bit, but you want it to be chewy. You want it to be a little al dente. You don't want to cook all the enzymes and the nutrients and the vitamins out of it. And this is a great way to do it. I mean, it's just very quick and easy, and yet it's really delicious. So that's done. I'm just going to plate this. And there you have it. You know, you want to talk about a great, quick vegetable to add to your dinner every night? Try this out. Look at that, beautiful colors. You don't want to cook the green out of the vegetables. You don't want to cook the orange out of the carrots. Brussels sprouts still look great. I guess it's delicious. I had this last night for dinner. You're going to love it. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Guys, if you like the shows we're doing, give me a thumbs up, like it, comment it, and share it. Okay, share it out to other people. Also, too, in the comments, let me know what other shows you'd like for me to do. I'll do whatever shows you like, whether it be on health and wellness, chiropractic, nutrition, brain health, whatever you want me to do, I'll do those shows for you. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you love this recipe. Let me know if you do. Till then, God bless. Have a great day. Dr. Nick. Bye-bye.